his head and you watch his ears, and you'll see that the issue is Nicki. But he's getting better. He's getting more used to her, which is a good thing since she's going to continue to be around. He didn't get work yesterday because it was blowing like crazy. So no, come over here. We're going where I want to go. That's a good boy. Keep moving. What a good boy. Now we're going to come around. Come around. That's a boy. Yeah, see, we're never going to do exactly the same thing twice. Not for quite a while. Trot. I know that's a cold wind. Makes you want to go zooming, doesn't it? Makes me want to go hide in the house. It's been 83 and it's in the 60s today, and there's a cold wind, and all of the horses are kind of full of it today. Nope. Nope, we're not going any faster. There's a something up here ahead. Be interesting to see what his response is. Boy, piece of wrapping paper. Good boy. So he's starting to relax a little bit. He's lightening up on my hand. That's good news. Yep, little badger diggings. I'd love to come out here with a spring-tooth harrow and just harrow a path right around the edge of here, but I'm not sure how the farmer would feel about that. Yep, there's another something in front of us, isn't there? Let's go around it since I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a... What is that? It's a plastic bag. No. Well, that's fine. You can go that way. That's good. Just stand and look at it for a minute. Just look at it. Just look at it. You're all right. If you were out in the pasture, you'd go up to that thing and you would try and grab it and run off with it. I know you. Good boy. Good boy. This is a horse that thinks a lot. And given the opportunity, he will think things through. Let's working trot. Good boy. And this is just a big old pile of cotton right here in the road. Doesn't worry him because it doesn't move. What a good boy. Okay, I want you to relax back a little bit again. What I wanted today was a nice 2-mile drive, and that's just about what we'll have when we get back. Yes, that gets everybody. What is that thing? It's like a big water tank. New stuff this direction, huh? Can you walk on? Now I want you to turn away from that while it's still my decision. Because last I knew there were badger holes around that thing. So we're going to turn and kind of head back. Ugh. What a good boy. And just go down the road. What a good boy. And I don't think there's anything scary going back this direction. Dogs think this is a boring drive. No, I want to go straight. You want a working trot? Nope, we're not keeping up with the dogs. I want you to come down to a slow trot. Rhythm isn't going to change. It's his impulsion that changes. All right, working trot. Working trot. Good boy. That's a boy.